Good morning, this is JJ with AutoWrecking.com. Today we're going to be removing the side view mirror off of a 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe. We've already removed the door panel here. If you need instructions on that, just see our door panel video. Today we're going to be using a 1/4-inch drive and a 10mm socket and a small little panel popper. So now that we've already got our door panel removed, we just remove the insert foam here. You have three 10mm here inside the door. We're going to loosen those up. Careful not to drop those down in the door. One more up top here. Before we take that top one all the way off, we're going to want to trace our wire down here. Pull this out through the liner in the door. And this is where our panel popper comes in. Just releasing the door clips from and now we'll remove that final bolt, holding onto the mirror to make sure it does not drop. And it should come off with relative ease. Maybe a little assistance from the panel popper. And there it is. That's how you take the mirror off of a 2012 Tahoe.